ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 15 Gaming Laptop. G532LWS-DS76. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I've received a few laptops in my search for a gaming laptop that is also good for content creation. This laptop hits all my requirements with flying colors. It runs current titles well at ultra settings. The laptop does really well with not having noticeable screen bleed. The display is sharp and the 240Hz refresh rate looks amazing when playing esports titles. This computer has all the necessary internals to be an amazing gaming computer. It runs every title extremely well. It is aesthetically pleasing and has so many different great functions. It doesn't get that hot when running games, keeping in mind how challenging it is for a company to keep gaming laptops cooled. The only complaint I have is the brightness of the screen seems to be lacking. Other than that, you can't go wrong with this gaming laptop. This was purchased to be my primary gaming laptop. Having played both Prey and Final Fantasy XIV, Shadowbringers on very high/maximum settings with no frame drops, 60 FPS/60Hz monitor, at UHD resolution, the ROG Strix 3 SCAR Edition can run the majority of modern games on the most gorgeous settings. The laptop offers a 1TB SSD drive, giving tons of storage for your gaming library and ensuing fast startup and gameplay. The laptop's built-in screen is a dream to look at and provides clear and crisp gameplay. The sound system, Realtek Audio, is sufficiently clear and powerful enough to provide an immersive sound experience. The laptop supports several external devices via 3 USB 3 ports, 1 USB-C, HDMI, and Ethernet. It handles any game I threw at it at max settings. Overall, I'm very impressed. I upgraded it with a 2TB Seagate Fire CUDA SSHD and it's just the laptop of my dreams. Besides the glitches with Windows, no fault of ASUS, it's perfect. I wish I would have waited just a bit longer for the RTX Supers for mobile to be released, but I'm so happy with this purchase anyway. I still would have chosen the ASUS. Thermals. The fans are appropriately loud for the power that you get. The cooling solution is very good. I'm incredibly impressed by the fact that it doesn't get hot to the touch, just warm. Where you sit your palm stays cold. My MSI G62 Apache Pro 2QF had horrible thermals despite also having 2 fans. This laptop does have one additional radiator, and 2070 is more efficient than the 970 meters though, so that plays into the incredibly good thermal dissipation. Sturdiness. It feels premium, that sums it up. You get what you pay for with ASUS. A $2,000 laptop should feel the part, and it really does. The RGB sorta shows it too. If you're a shower, this pretty much presents itself. When you open it up, the textured aluminum deck will impress you. That isn't painted or dipped, it's actually textured to achieve the carbon fiber look. It's the little things that are getting me on this thing, as all the important things are pretty much as close to perfect as something like this could come. Sound. For a laptop of this size, the sound is top-notch. Bass is incredible and it's hard to believe it comes out of such a small body. Display. This 240Hz IPS panel is just amazing. It looks higher res than 1080p to me and I'm not sure why. I'm coming from a TN 60Hz panel, so maybe that's it? Anyway, color reproduction is great and results in a beautiful visual presentation. The fluid motion of everything thanks to the 240Hz refresh rate is just eye candy. Personally, I see the difference. I have also proven that this panel is truly refreshing as 240Hz. Test UFO.com will be able to show you the difference between 60, 120, and 240Hz. While it doesn't stick out, 240Hz is noticeably better here. The specs on this laptop are amazing. This is the cheapest gaming laptop with RTX 2070. The build quality is good. Conclusion: this laptop is perfect for gaming and daily use. Overall, a great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for watching it. Have a nice day.